Ulam or pulutan is delicious. Just combine meat of your choice, grilled or fried, with very basic salad ingredients and voila. Sisig. Enjoy. And Pinoy be proud. Share it to the world. This is our food. You're watching the Filipino food series. Let's join Romilo at his small kitchen. Warm greetings, your Kuya Langgal here. Special welcome to our viewers in the Philippines, in America, and in Canada. Also, those of you in the Middle East, warm greetings. Today we're cooking an interesting dish. It's thanks to Anthony Bourdain, this has become popular internationally. It is sisig, not just pork, but tofu. At first I thought of just adding tofu, but to be honest with you, I don't like tofu that much. So we're mixing it with pork. To make pork a bit healthier, we're adding tofu. So pork and tofu sisig. Healthy, delicious, and good ulam and pulutan. And here's our ingredients. The main ingredients, the tofu and the pork belly, the onion there, not all of that, salt and pepper, mayonnaise, the sauce, soy sauce, the oyster sauce, chili, and the green onion, and lemon, and don't forget the butter. Let's start by parboiling the pork. Sancocho. Soften the pork a bit. While softening the pork through parboiling, or what we call sancocho in Ilocano, also in Spanish by the way, we can do this task of preparing the tofu. We can slice it into small bite sizes, into cubes. My knife is not very sharp. It needs sharpening, and it's perfect for this task. It slices very easily. How I wish pork is as soft as tofu. I've heard tofu is as nutritious as pork. And just the onions also. I won't show you the entire process of cutting the onions. Not very interesting. If you know how to turn on your stove, you know how to slice onions. And how about seasoning our sancocho here, our pork that's being parboiled? Season it with salt. Not bad. Salt always helps. And while waiting for the sancocho or for the pork to soften, we can fry the tofu. The nice thing about frying tofu is that it doesn't splat. To be honest with you, this is my first time to fry tofu. I love a hot, but tofu as a dish, I still have to explore that. I think it's good. They look golden brown now. I'm sure they're cooked. Spills can't be avoided. Now the second batch. I won't be showing you the second batch. Of course it's the same. And now the pork is softened. We can just drip dry this and fry it as well. You may call it food contamination, but I'll be using the same oil, even the same pan, for frying the pork. Compared to the tofu, this splatters.
Too crowded.
Have some patience, Romeo.
It's too crowded. Two pieces at a time.
Look at that. How nice. That's glorious. That's the brown we desire. Golden brown. Honey brown. That's the second batch. More splatter. And while waiting for the pork to fry, let's squeeze this lemon or calamansi as an option.
Pork has been cooked so we can slice it. Or chop, better said.
And they've adequately cooled down, and it's time to chop the pork. I should have used the sturdier chopping board here. This is very flimsy. Finely chop.
Let's start our stir fry. I'm gonna use a different pan this time. And instead of cooking oil, I'll be using butter. Well, to be exact, butter and cooking oil. The onions now. There was no sizzle. It's so cold.
Some sisig versions are not stir-fried at all. The raw ingredients are just mixed with the grilled or fried meat. But this is the Max version, the Max restaurant version. As an option, you can also premix the ingredients and just add it to this stir fry. I mean, add the mixture. Now we'll add the oyster sauce. Then the mayonnaise. It's your choice between adding them one at a time here on the pan or pre-mixing them in a bowl and adding them at the same time. I mean the mixture. Soy sauce is added just 1 tablespoon. The lemon juice or calamansi juice as well. And don't forget the freshly ground pepper. Al gusto. Stir and stir. Again, this is an option to the raw version, raw ingredient. And of course, chili always adds fire to this salad. Look, it's been pre-cooked. It's just adding the seasoning in a hot, in a hot pan. And then pouring it onto a sizzling plate, which I don't have.
It's good. I think I'll begin liking tofu. And let's give it the finishing touches. Yeah. And this is our sisig dish from the homeland. Pork and tofu. Yeah, a bit healthier than usual. Just give it 2 more weeks and I'll be acquiring a sizzling plate. But this is paella plate, and it also retains the temperature, and it can be used for serving, smaller than a pan. Join me again next time as we bring you more of the cuisine from our homeland. And if you enjoyed watching, don't forget to like and subscribe. And better yet, join me sa pagbibida ng ating pagkain Pinoy sa buong mundo. Share it! Hanggang sa muli, your Kuya and Uncle here in Holland. Until next time.